Okay guys, these are the botanicals that I use to put inside of my Yoni oils. So basically, I use these herbs to put inside of here along with my secret sauce, which is my oils. Sorry guys, the oils that I use. And that's how we make our Yoni oils. So we're gonna get ready to get this all mixed up so we can get ready to pour. Okay, so basically I'm taking the herbs and I am ejecting them inside of the bottles. You can see here, it gets a little messy, but that's okay. I have a disinfectant sheet down, and this is what you end up with. I kind of do it by eye. I don't necessarily have a method of how much is going in each one, but I pretty much eyeball it, and it works out perfectly fine. So that's basically all that I do. So people think a lot of times that it's just for a decorative element, but it really, really is also a good balance of herbs and botanicals that still will help your skin over time with the oils marinating in there, as well as other properties like, you know, the aesthetic look of it at all. But it really, really, really is a part of the whole Yoni oil experience because, you know, this has been going on for years. These herbs people have been using to help soothe the skin, to help, you know, just bring back the natural color and just a natural balance to the Yoni. I mean, because ladies, we all know we can all use some good balance. And this also has a good stimulant herb in it as well for some of our ladies who we need a little bit of help in that area. So it's just a good blend of different herbs and botanicals that are not only good for the skin, but they look really pretty in the bottles with the oil mixed in, and they serve multi-purpose. So that's why we use them. Okay guys, one quick tip is I used to use wax paper whenever I would put my piece down to do these, but now I actually use press and seal by Glad. It is a game changer. It actually sticks better to the surface than the regular wax paper because it moves around, but once this is on here, it doesn't move or anything. So I just wanted to give you guys that quick tip. So if ever you're doing something and you need to be using a pan or something, get a little bit of press and seal. Press and seal by Glad. It's really good. Okay, so I got all of the Yoni oils lined up. We're going to get ready to add the tops. I have them still getting cleaned, but once I get them done, these beautiful oils will have beautiful gold tops on them. You guys are going to love them. Okay guys, I'm back. So I have all of these beautiful gold droplets that go inside. These are actually glass as well, and I get these from Amazon. You want to purchase the jars or the tops. Well, the jars come with the tops, but I get them from Amazon, and they have prettier ones. They have pink, clear, and I think they have a silver. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. So guys, this is all I do. I just go in, you know, add these in, and then, you know, that's it. Yoni oils are so relaxing to make. One of my favorite things to do. So I hope you guys are getting prepared for Mother's Day. As you can see, we are quite busy. I wanted to make sure that I kept my word when I said I will be back May the 1st to bring you guys a video. I know it's not my best video, but I did want to keep my word. We have a lot of personal things going on in the family right now, so I'm trying to multitask and make sure that, you know, I'm handling business, family, and all of that all together. You know, just one big old multitasker here. So all you do is tighten the screws on here, and then you have your beautiful Yoni wash. I mean, not Yoni wash, Yoni oil. So guys, listen, I am going to wipe these beauties off, and once I'm done that, I will be posting another video tomorrow, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.